get rid of my screenshot there. Okay, guys, welcome to the call for VidPenguin 2. It's been a while since we've come on and done a new announcement. It's been a few months, but we have something really special we want to share with you today. And if you haven't heard about it, we have a new product called BoosterPages, and they are Tier 1 backlinks. They're quality backlinks from a PBN that we're building out, a massive PBN. And we're really excited about it. We'll have it available open to the public, so you can buy on a monthly subscription in different levels based on what your needs are for boosting your WordPress, your blog posts, your YouTube channels, and your videos. Now, here's the cool thing is we've added, if you've bought a BoosterPage license, you can add it into VidPenguin 2 and through an API. So you basically get your API from BoosterPages, and then you post it into the API integration for BoosterPages inside of VidPenguin 2. Now, Wayne's going to kind of walk you through that. And the cool thing is whenever you ping a video, you can add it to your ping setup and select whatever category and niche that you want. And then when you hit ping, it's going to send it to a booster page. So you're going to get a boosted link back to your original YouTube video. So Wayne, I'm going to share this or stop my share so you can share.
Okay, hi everyone. Nice to see you. I haven't seen you for a while on VidPenguin 2 group in a stream, but you'll be liking what we've got for you. Just loading up a YouTube tab so I can grab a video. But as you can see, I'm in VidPenguin 2 dashboard. And everything is as you familiar with, but in integrations, we've now got our new product at the bottom, BoosterPages, and in the API, and you can plug in the API that we've built in BoosterPages. Now, you get the API key from BoosterPages, and you just drop it in, and it'll connect the two together for you. And then whenever you use it from the VidPenguin side, it will just API over, and BoosterPages will do all the magic for you without you having to worry. So if I go into BoosterPages API, you'll see it's a familiar screen where we drop our API key in. And if you click that little button there, it opens up the full field for you. And we do this so that when we're on demos like this, we don't display our keys. So you just pop your key in there. So if I actually go over to BoosterPages, I'll just click this button down here. There we go. That's a bit quicker. And if you haven't seen it, this is the actual BoosterPages app where you can boost your URLs, you can boost RSS feeds, and we can also connect API URLs. And this will give you tier 1 backlinks to your links that you put into here. But we're going to connect it to VidPenguin 2 by simply going over to here and clicking on Get API Key. That's there. And that will open up a screen where you can click Get API Key. I'll just drag that off until over here so I can give you without showing the key. Oh, in fact, I'll just change it. There we go. Be easier. There we go. So you get your key and you can click this button at any time and it will change it. And then we've got the API function. So if you wanted to develop, your developer will understand how to call these API functions using JSON, and you can pass the information in But we've done all that for you. All you need to do is grab that key and take it over to VidPenguin 2. I'll open that up now because I've changed that, and paste it in, and then click update. And that's it. We've connected the two together, and you can click on check credits, and that'll tell you if it works. And now you can see this month I've done one URL and I've got 3,000 as a balance, 2,999 left. So that's how you connect two together. But then when you do a video ping, and I'll just grab a video off YouTube, and let's see what we've got. There's one about the mic that I was, in fact, the microphone I've just bought. Looks like someone's retargeting is what is doing good. I'll just grab that and just pretend that that's my video for this demo. So I'll click add. So in there, I will click get data, and that'll grab all the information from YouTube. And obviously we can spin it up if we wish. And for those of you that understand, because you've been in VidPenguin a while, you know all about what goes on here. And I'll just click update for the purposes of the demo. And then I'll move to thumbnails tab. And this is where it brings all the keywords in from the YouTube keywords. We can choose, we can change all the image packs. So if I put what we got in here, it's not really content marketing, but we can use things from the image pack. We've got lots of, I haven't added them in, but we've got lots over here for you to choose from. Click update and it will give us all the variations with all the different images. But I'm just going to go straight to variations. Without the, because I didn't click update, so I don't want the, because it's somebody else's video, so I don't want to post lots of different things. So I'm going to go straight to the integrations, which is where you'll see the new BoosterPages, which is here at the bottom. So here's all the integrations that you're used to. Link processor, so we'll tick that, and we'll send link processor across, WordPress, Blogger, etc. And we've added, now that it's integrated with the API, BoosterPages. So you tick that little box, and that activates it. And then you pick from our niche and categories. So we scroll down here, and we've got, that's probably be technology, I guess, being as it's about a microphone. So technologies, and let's see what we've got. We've got AI tech.
Probably electronics.
Oh yeah, that'd be better, wouldn't it?
No, the category in technology would be electronics or computers.
Oh, I see. Yeah. I couldn't see it for looking. There we go. Click update, and then that tells the system that we want to send that to BoosterPages automatically, along with everything else that you'll be doing up here. And you can save as a template. It's all been integrated into templates still. We can move to the ping tab, and then we can decide whether we want to do it all at once. Can't do everything all at once, depending on what your blog posts and things. But if we click update, it'll do the link processor ones, and then at the very end, you'll see we've got BoosterPages. It's going to go to the category electronics. There's the video. It's a link post, and when we do freeze and ping, it will go through the motions, and it will ping it across to our BoosterPages. So this will go at, in fact, if I do freeze and ping, we will be able to see, because this one's due now, which is good. So the system will be picking that up shortly. Now, we do send just the YouTube URL to our booster pages. We don't send every variation, all 32 variations, because then that would flood our tier 1 system and it would look like spam. So we don't want to do that. So we only send the one, and because of the way that we're doing tier 2s on our big PBN that we're building, you'll get juice from that coming into the video more naturally. So you don't need to send loads and loads of links over, because that'll only reduce the effect that it's going to get. So I'll click refresh. There we go. It's been posted. So what that actually means is it's been posted to BoosterPages because it's an API link. So if we go over to BoosterPages, you'll see that in the menu, Boost API URLs, we've now got an extra one called electronics. And you can see that BoosterPages has already dealt with it and sent it over. So there's the original URL. So this came across from VidPenguin 2, all automatically. You haven't got to worry. And then there's the link. So if we click on that link, you will see the booster page with the video on it. And there it is. There was that Shure video about the microphone that we grabbed from YouTube. It's automatically put the play icon on it because it knows it's a video. And then obviously when we click it, it takes us to the video on YouTube, which is perfect. It's exactly what you want. Now, what also is going on is then BoosterPages has also sent this to our PBN that we're building, and you'll get multiple links from that. And there'll be more information. If you've not heard anything about BoosterPages, there'll be more information about that the closer we get to the public launch. But for those of you that have got BoosterPages and VidPenguin 2, you can now join the two together and start boosting videos direct from VidPenguin 2. Close that down.
I'm going to share my screen because I'm going to show everybody a flow chart of how this works.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
Okay, if you've never been part of BoosterPages, you don't know anything about it, but you got VidPenguin, you're ready to go. And once you add BoosterPages into your VidPenguin 2, whenever you ping it and it's attached, it's actually coming into this right here. This is your URL posted to BoosterPages. Now, you're not actually going into BoosterPages, you're going in through VidPenguin 2 through the API. Okay, so the API will post it here. And what you're going to get is a link that you just saw from where Wayne showed you what a booster page looks like. And we call it our link pin sites. Think of Pinterest. You're actually getting a Pinterest type of post on an endless scroller. And that's the important part, is the way that we do our booster pages. They're endless scrollers. And you will have a featured image up in the upper left-hand corner with a link that you can do whatever you want with the link to process it. But we're also going to be doing over time, and it's not immediate. It could be 3 days from now, it could be 30, it could be 120 days from now, that we will be building our PBN pages that would have something related to the category. And at the bottom of the page, we're going to have footer links, anchor text links that point back to the link that you sent us. So we're going to send it out to three more different links, random assortment, but they'll all be category related to what you just posted. So, and that happens for every video that you post through VidPenguin 2 that you're using BoosterPages. So you're going to have 4 direct links. We're also going to be building 3 tier 2s. These are tier 2s pointing back to your booster page link. So we're going to have a tier 2 built for you. And then the power behind all this is we have thousands of PBN networks or campaigns that we're running that are quality content. They're either listicles. There's something that we wrote on Jasper. We got some VAs writing for us. We got some copywriters writing for us. So we're doing quality content on niche subjects. And if you want to see really how we're building all these back pages, check out our Geek Out Fridays, because I've been teaching exactly what we're doing on our Geek Out Fridays. Last week was Article Forge, and the week before we were talking about using Jarvis and Surfer SEO. So I'm showing you how we're building the pages. We're building quality content that's all going to support these text links, these permanent text links back to your featured link, back to your video. So it's not an instant button that's going to jack your ratings, but what you're getting is you're getting some random PBNs on different IP networks, different Cloudflare services, located on Amazon servers across the world. So it's a pretty neat effect, but it is going to take, it's an evergreen. So you're going to get long-term ranking effects using this one little booster page add-on. So we're really excited about it. And Wayne, anything else to add?
No, that's perfect that you've explained what's going on in the background.
Okay. And any questions we can answer?
Good point. Just have a quick look.
On the Zoom call right now, we had a question was, when is the booster pages going to be ready? If you were lucky, you got in at a one-time fee, but we've closed that down. That was our pre-launch offer. Probably, I'd say middle or end of February, early March, we're going to have a public launch. And as VidPenguin 2 members, you're going to get, we're going to give you an opportunity to get in at a lower price before we go public. So we'll have some new news coming out probably in the next couple of weeks or so to give you a first shot at it before we go public at a discount, of course, because you're part of our team. So very, very excited about this new integration that we're adding to VidPenguin. And we may be adding some more over the next few months with some of the things that we're doing with the PBN network. So Wayne, thank you for demoing it, and we will see you on another call. Wayne, just hang on the call and I'll end this.